Hey foodies and fellow ice cream lovers. Well, today is definitely the most dangerous recipe video I've ever brought to you. We accidentally used the wrong attachment, but I am going to successfully show you how to make this super yummy ice cream with the KitchenAid stand mixer. This is homemade Oreo ice cream or cookies and cream ice cream, whatever you want to call it. Let's get to it. This is a super easy recipe. It only has a handful of ingredients, 6 to be exact. You just want to make sure that you're starting with cold ingredients. But before you do that, you need to smash up some Oreos. So here I am using 12 Oreos or cookies and cream, whatever you want to call them, cookies. And then you're going to want a couple extra diced up that you can top the ice cream with just for aesthetic purposes. I like to just put the Oreos in a bag and smash them up. Here we're using a rolling pin. This is a 5-year-old smashing, so as you can imagine, it's a pretty easy recipe. Whisk together 1 cup whole milk that is very cold with 3/4 cup sugar, granulated sugar. Whisk it all together for a minute or two. And then when the sugar is dissolved, you should remove your KitchenAid Ice Cream Maker from the freezer so it is super cold and set up the attachment on your stand mixer. Now, I had a big issue here. It had been like a month or two. For some reason, I spaced on the attachment. I just couldn't locate it in my house, and so I set it up, and I wasn't quite sure that that was right. I honestly should have watched my own recipe video. I made a really yummy strawberry and chocolate ice cream not too long ago, and that would have solved all my problems. But here I am pouring in the ingredients. So you want to add in some of the milk and sugar mixture you made, a cup of heavy cream, a cup of half and half, and you want 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. Get that all going. Well, I mean, you should get it going with the right ice cream attachment for your KitchenAid stand mixer. So you churn the ice cream for about 20 minutes, and then it's time to add in the crushed Oreos. So once 20 minutes have passed, add in the crushed Oreos and churn for another 5 to 10 minutes on low or until the mixture is well combined. If your machine's instructions vary for add-ins, follow those instead. I do love my KitchenAid, and I have other recipe videos featuring it if you are interested. But at this point, my ice cream is actually usually cold enough to enjoy right away, but it's a little bit more of the soft serve style. So finally, you could freeze your Oreo ice cream in an airtight freezable container to harden for a couple of hours. And I like to top it with extra crushed Oreos for aesthetic purposes. Why not go all out? On the SipBiteGo channel, you'll find more of my KitchenAid attachment reviews and how to use them on my favorite home cooking recipes. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!